Alright, so guys, today my school's fire alarm went off and will not. Yeah, guys, it's the craziest reason why. Oh, also, I'm just bored, so I'm playing Roblox in the back. Yeah, and it went off, and right I mean, bro. Right as I walked out of a door, it was like an office door. I didn't pay attention or anything. I just had to take. It's because the office is right next to my classroom, and someone was blocking the door. And then I had to go up the stairs. And right as I went out, the fire alarm started. So I thought it was me that started it, because I thought it was a thief alarm or whatever. And I was like so scared. And then we all had to run to the football field, and that football field is like giant. So yeah, we were like 100 students, like 200, 300 maybe. Oh, and we all were standing there like small minions. And then we all had to go in a class in some line or whatever. And then the school leader had to come. Yeah. And then she went inside. I checked what it was. Many people said it smelled like burning, but it really didn't. I mean, it kind of did, but there was nothing. Yeah, and then she went in, and then she told us the reason. Now, I didn't know that before she told us. Bro, it was a spider. A spider was crawling in that fire alarm thingy, and then it accidentally activated it. Like, what the hell? How is that possible? A spider activated the fire alarm. Like, what? Huh? Like, what in the city? Huh? That was like, what? And while we didn't know it, me and my friends were just joking around and having fun. And then she told us the reason, and we were like, what? And yeah, that's how it just was. Like, bruh, a spider. And right after that, there was some Italian people that came to play some music for us. So yeah, it was a W after, but it wasted our outside time. Let me see if I can scope somebody. I want to scope somebody. Come on. Yeah. Anyways, guys, yeah, that was a weird story that happened today. LOL.